Physical properties of alcohols and phenols. First, alcohols. Physical state of alcohol. First, lower members are colorless liquids. Lower members are colorless liquids. They have sweet smell and burning taste. First members are methyl alcohol, then ethyl alcohol. All these are colorless liquids. They are having sweet smell and burning taste. Next, these alcohols ROH. This contains two parts, alkyl part and OH group. Okay. This hydroxyl group or OH group is responsible for all the properties of the alcohols. Okay. First, boiling point. First property, boiling point. In case of boiling point of alcohols increases as the molecular mass or the molecular size of the compound increases. Okay. Boiling point increases as the molecular mass increases. Because in case of alcohol there is van der Waals force. So as the number of carbon atoms increases, the van der Waals force also increases. So boiling point increases. Next, what will happen in the case of branching or isomeric compounds? If branching increases, van der Waals force decreases because the surface area of the compound decreases. So what will happen? Boiling point decreases. So as the branching increases in the carbon atom, boiling point decreases. Okay. Next, about boiling point. Next case. Boiling point of alcohols are higher in comparison with the compounds like hydrocarbons, ethers, etc. having comparable molecular mass. That is, boiling point of alcohols are higher than compounds like hydrocarbons, then ethers, haloalkanes, etc. having comparable molecular mass. Okay, having comparable molecular mass. Let's take few examples. Okay, first ethanol, CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol. Okay. Second case, methoxymethane. Methoxymethane is an ether. Methoxymethane. Then propane, which is an alkane, hydrocarbon. Okay, propane. Okay, these are having comparable molecular masses. This one, the molecular mass is 46. Here this is also 46. Okay, here this is 44. Okay, and what about the boiling point? In this case, the boiling point is 351 Kelvin. Here it is 248 Kelvin. And this is 231 Kelvin. So we can see that in the case of alcohols, the boiling point is very high. Even the molecular masses are same or almost similar. This is due to the reason that due to the presence of this hydrogen bonding. Okay, due to the presence of this hydrogen bonding, the OH bond, the molecules present in the alcohols are associated together and it is very difficult to break the bond. So the boiling point increases. So what will happen? The compound will be associated like this. due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See here OH, ROH, okay, ROH, ROH. So there will be intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what will happen? They get associated. All the molecules are associated. It's very difficult to break the bond. Okay. So in the case of ethanol, the the boiling point is very high compared to other two. Okay. Next, what will be in the case of solubility? Solubility of alcohols. Solubility. Alcohols are soluble in water. Soluble in water because they form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water. That is like this. Alcohol, then water molecule. Again alcohol, water molecule. So they get associated or they form hydrogen bonding with water. As a result of this, alcohols are soluble in water. Okay. Next, if the molecular mass increases, what will happen to the solubility? As the molecular mass increases means alkyl groups increases. Alkyl groups increases as the molecular mass increases. Okay. As the molecular mass increases. Okay. We know that alkyl groups are hydrophobic groups. They are water repelling. So as the number of alkyl groups increases, the solubility decreases. Okay. Alkyl group increases, molecular mass increases and solubility decreases. Okay. Solubility decreases. Properties of phenols. Physical properties is almost similar to that of alcohols, and phenol is a white crystalline solid. White crystalline solid. Okay. A white crystalline solid, but it turns reddish brown when exposed to air because the oxidation takes place and it gets turned to reddish brown color. Okay. Next, what about the melting point and boiling point? Melting point and boiling point. Okay. As the molecular mass increases, what will happen? The boiling point also increases. The same as in the case of alcohols. Okay. What will happen in the case of hydrocarbons? Phenols are having higher boiling point with those compounds like aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay. Aromatic hydrocarbons having comparable size. Okay. Having comparable size. Next, what about the solubility? They are soluble in water. Okay. Soluble in water due to the formation of hydrogen bonding with water. Okay. Soluble in water and readily soluble in organic solvents. Organic solvents. Okay. Next, what about the toxicity of alcohols and phenols? Toxicity of alcohols and phenols. Toxicity. In case of alcohols, first member is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is highly toxic. Okay, highly toxic. Higher members are less toxic. Okay, higher members are less toxic. Next, what will be in the case of phenol? Phenol is toxic in nature and form blisters on the skin, okay, and form blisters on the skin.